Hello everyone, welcome back to another video by dutchpapergirl.
Yeah, it took me about 3 weeks to finish it, but here it is. In this video I'm going to show you the ram with embossed coat. It's very hard to assemble, especially when you turn the pattern inside out, because I wanted the numbers on the inside. When I started the ram, I was planning to make all 4 types you can make when you buy this pattern, but hey, this one took me 3 weeks and I didn't want to keep you waiting any longer. Page 11b will give you the use head. The general instructions that come with the pattern are very good. The only thing I miss is where I can find the numbers, as in where do I put the parts. The only plus side on this is that if you have found one part, the other part will be exactly on the opposite, because it's completely symmetrical. It's inevitable, you end up with some holes in sharp corners, and as you can see I fixed that by putting some small pieces of papers on the inside. And to fit in the last part, it took me an hour to be as precise as I could be.